Hey guys, it is AJ bringing you another video, and I just made an intro with Video Maker. And you go to Intro Maker. So once you do that, you can go to all. You can choose any template, anything. You can choose a random one. Oh my god, why am I at Pro? Yeah, I just chose a random one. Okay, and then you can change the font. You can change the font right here. You can change the color right here, as you can see. Yeah, change the colors for the word. Yeah. Okay, then you can choose music. You can also go to music, and then you can add your own. And yeah, that's basically all you can do. And then when you're done, you press share button. Okay. Once you have the share button, wait for it to turn to 100. You can download this on any device. I'll show you after. And then when you're here, no, I don't want this ad. Then you want to push this, and then you'll download it. You can also add it to YouTube. And yeah, that's it. Now I'll show you what it's called. So the Play Store. So you search up Intro Maker, like I did right here. And then what you want to find is this one. It can be for any device, Apple, Android, Samsung, Sony, basically any kind of phone, any. And then yeah, and then since you're done that, you download Video Shop. Then you go to Video Shop. Then you would go here, import clip, and then you can import your intro you just made. And then like, look at mine. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. Yeah, and then you can also make it speed a little bit more spicy. You have to go spicy with it. And then and guys, it'll be this fast. Baby, I don't understand it. You're changing. Okay. Now when we adjust the speed to really slow. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing. Okay, let's go speed. Let's do it this slow. Yeah, let's try that. Sorry about the noise in the background, in case you can hear it. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing. Okay, there. We have to change it back to normal. You're changing like you're standing. Are you serious? Redo this. So you're gonna fit. So you go here, import clip. And I'm gonna do it again, like I said. And then. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing like it's. Okay, yeah. And that's all I wanted to tell you for this video. So yeah, bye.